In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use countif formula in Microsoft Excel. The countif function is used to count how many cells in a range meet one specific condition. It's a very useful formula when you're working with lists and you want a quick total based on matching text, numbers, or other simple criteria. Instead of manually scanning your spreadsheet and counting items one by one, countif lets Excel do the work for you accurately and instantly. In this example, we want to count the number of employees who belong to the finance department. The department names are listed in a column, and the goal is to find out how many times the word finance appears in that selected range. To do that, click into the cell where you want the result to appear. Then type the formula equals countif, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter the range of cells you want Excel to check. In this case, the range is B2 through B6. Then add a comma and inside quotation marks type the word finance as the condition. Finally, close the parenthesis. The full formula is equals countif open parenthesis B2 colon B6 comma quotation mark finance quotation mark. Close parenthesis. Once you press enter, Excel returns the result, which is 3. That means the word finance appears 3 times in the selected range. This works because countif looks through each cell in B2 to B6 and checks whether the content matches the condition you provided. Every exact match is counted, and the final total is displayed in your results cell. A helpful tip here is to make sure your condition is typed correctly. If you're counting text values like department names, spelling matters. Also, the range you select should include all the cells you want to evaluate, but not extra cells unless you intentionally want them included in the count. Another good habit is to double check your parentheses and quotation marks when typing the formula. Small typing mistakes can cause Excel to return an error or the wrong result. Countif is a simple but powerful function, especially for attendance lists, department rosters, inventory categories, and many other everyday Excel tasks. Once you understand this basic format, you can apply the same idea to many different counting situations. That's how to use the countif formula in Microsoft Excel to count cells that match a specific condition.